Have you ever wondered why some people can connect deeply with others while some struggle? One word: vulnerability. It's the key that unlocks the door to deep conversations. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we break down walls, inviting others to do the same. It's like saying, "Hey, I trust you with my thoughts and feelings." This trust fosters a genuine connection, making conversations more meaningful. So remember, vulnerability isn't a weakness, it's a strength when it comes to meaningful conversations. Creating a safe space where people feel comfortable sharing is key. Picture a cocoon where you can unfold your thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. This is not just about physical surroundings, but also the emotional climate. It's about cultivating an atmosphere of acceptance, respect, and understanding. It's about encouraging openness and saying, "Hey, let it all out. I'm here to listen, not to judge." This is the essence of a safe space. A safe space allows for open, honest, and deep conversations. Active listening, it's not just about hearing, but truly understanding. It's about tuning in with all your senses. Maintain eye contact, it shows you're focused. Nod your head, it shows you're following along. Throw in an occasional "I see" or "go on." They're like verbal nods, affirming that you're engaged. Remember, it's not about waiting for your turn to speak, it's about immersing yourself in their world. Active listening shows you care and are invested in the conversation. Asking thoughtful questions can turn a shallow conversation into a deep one. This isn't your typical "how's the weather?" or "did you catch the game last night?" type of chit-chat. No, we're diving deeper, exploring the uncharted territories of the mind and soul. Imagine asking someone, "What's your biggest fear?" Suddenly you're not just talking about spiders or heights, but perhaps fears about the future or failure. Now that's a conversation with some depth. Or how about this one? What's your proudest achievement? You're not just asking about a trophy or a promotion, but about the moments that made them feel truly alive, the times they overcame obstacles, or the instances they made a real difference. It's amazing how a well-placed question can open up new dimensions of understanding. Thoughtful questions can reveal layers of a person you never knew existed. Reflective listening is like holding up a mirror to the speaker's thoughts. It's about taking a step back, absorbing what's been said, and then paraphrasing it back to the speaker. This technique ensures you've truly grasped the essence of their message. It's not about parrot-like repetition, but about understanding, digesting, and reflecting the idea back in your own words. Reflective listening validates the speaker's feelings and encourages deeper sharing. It's the key to unlocking those hidden layers in any conversation. Sharing personal stories can create a bond like no other. Picture this. You've been chatting with someone and you start to share a tale from your past. Suddenly the connection deepens. Why? Because you're offering a piece of your life, a piece of your soul. You're giving them a glimpse into your world, into the triumphs and trials that have shaped you. Personal stories have the power to inspire, to motivate, to console, and to connect. They can spark laughter, provoke thought, or bring tears. They're the threads that weave humanity together, binding us in shared experience, shared emotion. When we share our stories, we're not just talking, we're reaching out, saying, "Here, this is me, this is who I am." And in that vulnerability, in that honesty, we forge bonds stronger than steel. Your personal stories can be the bridge that connects you to others. So embrace them, share them, and watch as they build bridges to deeper, more meaningful connections. Exploring values and beliefs can lead to profound insights about a person. It's like opening a treasure chest. Each value and belief is a gem that reflects their unique personality. It could be their strong belief in honesty, their value for family, or their stance on environmental issues. These gems don't just tell you what they stand for, they tell you who they are at the core. Understanding someone's values and beliefs can give you a glimpse into their soul. Dreams and aspirations, they're what drive us, aren't they? When we chat about what we yearn for, what we envision for ourselves, we are opening up our hearts and minds. It's a window into our passions, our motivations. It can inspire, it can motivate, it can ignite a spark in the listener's heart. And when they reciprocate, when they share their dreams, it's a beautiful exchange, a dance of hopes and dreams. When you share your dreams, you share a piece of your heart. Fears and insecurities, we all have them, but not all of us talk about them. There's a unique strength in showing our vulnerabilities, a raw honesty that deepens connections. When we peel back these layers, we allow others to see our true selves, our human side. Discussing our fears and insecurities can be daunting, but it is also a powerful conversation starter. It fosters trust, empathy, and understanding. When we share our fears, we realize we're not alone. Navigating difficult emotions can be challenging, but it's an integral part of deep conversations. It's about gracefully steering the dialogue through the rough seas of discomfort, fear, or sadness. The key? Empathy and patience. Let them know their feelings are valid. Respond with understanding, not judgment. And remember, you're not there to fix anything, just to listen and be present. It may be tough, but it's through these storms that true connections are forged. Remember, it's okay to feel and it's okay to talk about it. Enjoying the content so far? Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful videos. Your support is our motivation to keep delivering quality content, so don't forget to share with your friends. Remember, every like, subscribe, and share helps us bring more valuable content to you. Empathy. It's what allows us to walk in someone else's shoes. It's the magical ingredient that breathes life into deep conversations, fostering a sense of connection and understanding. Imagine a bridge. Empathy is its foundation, allowing us to cross the chasm of our differences and find common ground. It's not about agreeing with someone's perspective, but understanding it, feeling it. It's about sharing their joy, their pain, their dreams. With empathy, you can connect deeply and authentically with others. Trust isn't built in a day. It takes time and consistency. Like a well-crafted sculpture, it forms gradually, shaped by the chisel of our words and actions. It's the openness in our conversations, the honesty in our words, and the consistency in our actions that lay the bricks of trust. And with every shared secret, every exchanged smile, every moment of understanding, that trust deepens. It's a journey that transforms acquaintances into confidants. Trust is the foundation of any deep and meaningful conversation. So, there you have it. The keys to unlocking deep and meaningful conversations. We've covered the power of vulnerability, creating a safe space, and the art of active and reflective listening. We've touched on the magic of thoughtful questions, sharing personal stories, and exploring values, dreams, and fears. We've navigated difficult emotions, underlined the role of empathy, and emphasized the importance of building trust. All these elements can help us connect on a deeper level. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity for a deep and meaningful connection. Thank you for joining us on this journey of deep conversations. We hope you'll take these insights and use them to foster meaningful dialogues in your own life. Until next time, keep connecting, keep sharing, and keep growing.
Savored this video? Fancy another? Click the on-screen video for an even deeper dive into fresh territory. Your support is like a warm cuppa on a brisk day. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell for the latest content. Cheers for watching.